Hi everyone, I'd like to tell you about a great way to practice that will also help save your brush tips. So I have the deluxe lettering kit right here, and I'm going to grab my pencil, and I have my grid practice pad. So let's take out a piece of paper. Most of you already know why I'm taking the piece of paper out. It's because I want a flat surface to practice on. Now, when you have your pencil, I want you to hold it high up on the barrel, just like you would a brush pen. And it's going to be kind of like a dull pencil, so it doesn't break. So I'm going to zoom in, and I will just show you what I mean by pencil practice. So instead of practicing with a brush pen, you can do all of your drills with the pencil. And you can see the light and dark strokes. So instead of really thick and thin strokes, you're going to have light and dark strokes. So I'm going to put pressure exactly where I'd put pressure with my brush pen, but I'm going to use a pencil. And this will really help my muscle memory, but it will also, I just realized I didn't leave much room for my ascender loops, but it will also save my brush tips. So I'm going to do the oval and the reverse oval. So you could just honestly just take your brush pen, your pencil, and then draw lots of your upstrokes and do your drills one at a time. Nice and slow, just like you would do a brush pen. And this way, when you pick up your brush pen, you will see a big difference in your skills. So not only does this work with the basic strokes, but it also works with your letters. So let's say you're working on the letter A. I'll just do a few letters here. You have your oval, same pressure and release. And your underturn, let's do the letter B. You have your ascender loop and your reverse oval. And C, you have your oval. I'll do A, B, C, D, E. And it doesn't matter if, it's not so visible to you, but what you're going to do is still use the pressure on your brush pen. I keep saying brush pen. Still use the pressure on your pencil as you would on your brush pen. Now, you could take this a step further by using your pencil first. So let me just do some underturns here. I'm going to pretend I'm using a small brush tip pen. So I'll do underturn, and I'm going to do 2 squares high. Underturn, underturn. And then what you can do is you can pick up your brush pen. So in my deluxe lettering kit, I will have to use the fine tip black brush pen. You can also use my multicolor brush pens that have this fine tip. All right, so let's put this down and hold it high on the barrel. And now I am going to trace on top of my pencil. Now you only want to do this if you are using your pencil drills on your smooth paper. I have the grid paper under here. And that way you are actually really helping create your own guidelines and saving on paper as well. So if I was to do this for a large brush tip pen, I would make my underturns instead of 2 squares high or whatever letter I'm practicing. You see my papers turn this way because I'm right-handed. So if I was practicing with my large brush pen, if it's a letter or if it's a basic stroke, I'm going to change that to 4 squares high. So let's do an underturn and an underturn, like that. And now I'm going to grab my large brush pen. So in this kit, I could actually use my medium, my large black, or these 3 large pens. So let's try a couple of them. I'll use the gray and the medium. You can use the medium for this as well, but you can also write a little bit smaller with this medium tip. So first I'll take the gray and we'll do push down and release and climb up. push down, release, and climb up. Now I'm going to actually just want to show you the medium pen that's in this deluxe lettering kit. So I'm going to push down, release, and come up. So you want your, when you're doing the drills, remember you do want your spacing to be the same. That's not too bad. And also the size of your strokes to be the same. Now I have the medium brush tip pen. So let's go push down, release, 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 and climb up, just like that. So you can do this with your pencil first, only your pencil, and then add it on top. Whichever way you like to do it, your pencil is going to make a big difference in your skills. Have fun. Bye.